Welcome to Automatic Lot Training. Let's look at how to manage employees and perform different functions such as locking, unlocking, activating, deactivating, and also assigning them phone extensions. Click on HR. Once you're in HR menu, you can go to employee list from the left side and also phone extension screens from here. Let's go to employee list first. In the employee list, you have a list of employees based on the information for the store, which is in the drop down. Employee names, phone numbers, email addresses, primary store, and other stores of those employees are all in that list, as well as what roles this employee has. We can also see when was the last time this employee has logged in and how many times they have logged in on separate occasions. If this employee was locked out, there will be a red color lock icon appearing over here, which will be a link to unlock this employee. Clicking on a red lock icon will unlock the employee by simply one click. In order to deactivate an employee, we can click on Deactivate button, which will take us to this pop-up asking us to reassign all the opportunities or tasks that are generated by CRM, reassign any repair orders that are present from the service department, or leave them orphan or leave them as is. We can also click on update password to update this employee's password by simply typing a new password over here and then emailing it to that employee. In case an employee is deactivated and you want to reactivate them, click on all filter to see all employees that are not activated, and simply clicking on activate button will bring them back. Notice there's also a delete button against some employees and not all of them. Now the delete button only exists if the employee has never logged in or that employee has no task or repair order or any CRM related activity assigned to them. Now let's look at the phone extension menu. Phone extensions are assigned to employees based on their role, especially if they are working in CRM and talking to customers. For employees, we don't want them to be using their own phones or their own communication devices, and we want them to be talking to the customers for the store, especially using this software provided dialer or the software provided phone system. This helps track all the communication, and we can also grade their communication for further training and improvements. In the phone menu, you see there's 50 total extensions assigned to this store. Their ranges are from 100 to 149, and there are total 6 in use. We can see which ones are assigned extensions and we can see which ones are unassigned extensions by simply clicking on this filter on top. So we have extension 103, 110, and 111, also 107. These are 4 extensions that are not in use. We can assign one of them to an employee who does not have an extension. So in this case, let's say this employee will be assigned extension 111. Once we assign them, it disappears from the available pool. In an event that these extensions are already taken or there are 0 unassigned extensions, we can always create a new one, given that we still have extensions left out of these 50 extensions. If we wanted to see what are the all total extensions, we click on status all, And here we are showing there's total of 10 extensions available. So let's create a new extension. Extension 137 is being created, and we can assign it to one of the employees. Let's pick one. Let's say we assign extension to this employee, and simply just creating on add extension, we just created a new extension and also assigned it to our employee over here. Once an employee has been assigned an extension, they have to log out and log back in for their CRM dialer to work. In case the CRM dialer is not working, for example, let's go into our CRM and click on some lead's phone number to see how that works. So let's click on this person's phone number. In our case, the dialer popped up because this extension for my employee has been configured properly. If it was not configured properly, this dialer would not open and there will be an error message. The type of issues that can come up while configuring employee phone extensions are either their headphones or speakerphones are not connected properly or malfunctioning. There could be a port issues as well. Also, notice that this icon on top of the browser, this shows that I have allowed access to this website, for this website to use my microphone and my speaker system. If I block it, this will cause issues. So we always have to allow automaticlock.com to be able to use the computer's resources such as microphone and speakers. The other issues that can come up is that the extension itself is faulty, which in that case we will have to unassign that extension from the HR menu and give that employee a new extension. Hope this training was helpful. Thank you.